Plug in your printer. Install the ribbon. Remove the paper printing box. Open the paper box and buckle it. Buckle both sides and open the paper box. Remove the film from the surface of the printing paper and place it facing up in the paper box. Bucket it tightly after putting it in. Gently put the paper box into the printer. Put the backing board behind the machine. Long press to turn on. The yellow light is on for entering the self-test state. Turn on the film cutter. Open the DEVIA. Connect the film cutter. Turn on the printing function. Select the model you want to print. Click Print to enter the printing page. You can choose to scan the QR code to upload pictures, or click on the bottom left corner to upload pictures from your device. Choose the printing method. The uploaded pictures can be edited. Click on the bottom right corner to enter the printer system. Enter the system and wait for 20 seconds. Automatically search for the printer. Configure the network for the printer. The yellow light flashes white connecting to network. The blue light stays on when the network connection is successful. Click Search Device again and wait for 20 seconds. Select the printer you want to connect. Click Print Send Data and start printing. The power light flashes and starts transferring printing data. Printing in progress. Attach a film to photo as required. Tear off the bottom layer of the transparent film. Align the film to the photo. Use a scraper to attach the transparent film to the photo. Tear off the film from the pad board. Stick the photo on the pad board as required. Put the pad board and the photo together into the film cutter. Select the model you want to cut. Click Start Cutting. Take out the cut film. Stick the film to your phone as required. The film sticking is completed.